Hi guys, welcome back. So I recently did a video on how to make this sound. So dark atmosphere in serum, and some of you guys don't have serum, so you suggested make it in vital. So I'm going to show you how to do the same process in a different in vital. So let's just recreate. So it's easy if we just look at the matrix, right? Or just the basic first platform. So in vital, this is a standard and this is what we. So first we change the wavetable, right? So let's look for something. Ooh, what's it? Granular. Let's try granular. Okay. So we first change the wavetable. We dropped it by 2 octaves. If you hold shift and scroll down, you go immediately down by octave. Then we add a saw wave, 2 octaves as well. And we add a band pass. Let's create the band pass. We add it quite low. So I'm just trying to show you how you can create a certain preset in different VSTs. Okay, so we have the front done. Okay, so on our second one we have 3 voices, but more detuned. The first one we have nothing. Okay, so both of those are going into filter 1. Yeah, both into filter 1, A and B. Some resonance, quite a bit. That's about it. Okay, so let's look at the matrix. We have LFO1 on wavetable position. So LFO1 on wavetable position, and on LFO1 we are moving at 4 bars. Let's change it to 4 bars, and that's basically it. We have LFO1 on the cutoff as well, but not too much. So let's throw this on the cutoff. Not too much, as we saw in the previous, it was just a small bit. So let's put on a small bit. And then we have LFO2 on the FX filter frequency. LFO2. Okay, so we have a formant filter. Let's pop the filter on. Let's go into formant. And then we add LFO2 on the cutoff. The cutoff will be over here. And we had our LFO2 at a half. On a half with a stepping action. Step. Draw. Down. So we had like a gate effect. Okay, cool. Turn the smooth off. Okay, then we had some hyper and distort, some downsample distortion. Downsample distortion, not too much, okay. Wasn't too much on the mix. Let's just add a multiband after everything. Then we had phase. So I'm just recreating. Don't forget about the order. The order is important. So the phase was after the filter. Yep, that's right. And the phase was on BPM at every 4 bars. Let's change this to 4 bars. Resonance, bit of drive, everything stays the same. Let's go back to our matrix. Oh yes, reverb. So now, and then LFO3 was on the volume of oscillator B. So on this volume, we had a third one doing a pattern in 16ths, I believe. Oh no, in 8ths. So let's just change the step. We're up. Oh, but that is a 16th. We were down, we were up, we were down, we were up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. That was on the volume of the second oscillator. Let's see what we have going. Okay, so this is the vital one, this is the serum one. Let's hear the differences. Okay, sounds like a bit more drive on the down sampling. Interesting. Same process, slightly different sounds. Bit more spookier. And that's its volume. Think I know what that is. Spread the voices. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Actually super interesting results. I'll save this actually for you guys and put it in a link that you can download. Thanks, guys.